wahamba ngasala ngashayina lenjubu ngaya mastatha sonke lesikhathi umbuko kwempatha unele wahamba ngasala ngashayina lenjubu ngaya mastatha sonke lesikhathi umbuko kwempatha
kade ngembona izolo ave week ngathi ubolela kanangi she says biza nge-Snake Queen saseposhan she think she the one lapha kasafensi kade ngembona ethabeni yangakethi ave gugile ngathi umamkezi niggas aphasi ngathi abamboni ngisho i-crew yakhe isimbiza ngosland umbalakazi uselala malunta buka ngisho nasekase bembuko kwempatha buka kade ngangifuni manje useyangitext zolo lokhu bembukelo sisiphatha manje ngiphezu kwakhe ngimnqela amabed buka
unele wahamba ngasala ngashayina lenjubu ngaya mastatha sonke lesikhathi umbuko kwempatha this time ngithule ngiyabuka ngapha besuthu bafuna ukubuwa angithi ingqondo izokhula kodwa ngiyabonisa kugcwele ukula njengamanje amone emishini wena salo uyibonile ebijini noma sipani ukuthena ama-toilet ukuku sipani emakhishini ukhohlwa kakhulu ngiyakuhlehlela umzimba uyashoda amamela ngikuxelela ukuhlena amadlebe ngikuphakela ukudla kwendlebe emamela ngikuxelela manje ngiyashayina usungahamba nginamathata unele wahamba ngasala ngashayina lenjubu ngaya mastatha sonke lesikhathi umbuko kwempatha unele wahamba ngasala ngashayina lenjubu ngaya mastatha sonke lesikhathi umbuko kwempatha.
Everybody has a turn back moment. You have a moment where you can go forward or you can give up. But the thing you have to keep in mind before you give up is that if you give up, the guarantee is it will never happen. That's the guarantee of quitting, that it will never happen, no way under the sun. The only way the possibility remains that it can happen is if you never give up no matter what.